In this video, we will set up an output, media, job ticket, and page setup. Once those are done, we will linearize the printer, create and assign the output CMYK ICC profile, and then submit and preview a test print. Step 1. Create an output. Go to the Workbench application. Select Output in the Data Types list. Create a new output by selecting File menu, New. Give the output a meaningful name. I'm calling this CMYK printer calibration, but you can call it anything you like. In the Printer and Media panel, click the Output Driver button and select your printer driver from the list. For this example, we are calibrating an Epson SCP-7000 with Epson Precision Dot. Go to the Connection panel and configure the destination driver for the printer. This is the method for connecting to the printer. I am using Bonjour, however you may use TCP/IP or something else depending on your network. Test the connection is configured correctly. Select Save and Test. A response of OK means everything is correctly configured. Up next, Step 2. Create a media.